Have you been given an Amazon gift card and want to turn it into cash? We've all thought about it at some point, but unfortunately, the answer is no. You can't withdraw cash from an Amazon gift card, and you won't get cash back from a purchase either. Not in store, not online, and not in your bank account. Amazon designs its gift cards to be used exclusively on its platform, where you have access to a massive catalog of products. The balance will always stay in your account, ready to use whenever you want. But why trade it for cash when you can buy pretty much anything inside the app? While you can't directly convert an Amazon gift card into money, there are countless ways to make the most of its value. Instead of seeing it as a limitation, think of all the possibilities the platform offers. You can use your gift card to buy everything from books to clothing, tech, toys, and so much more. What would you get? You don't need to decide now. Just head over to doctorSIM.com, get your Amazon gift card, and you'll have 10 whole years to think about it. Choose the destination country, the amount you want, your payment method, and done. We'll send it to your email in seconds. doctorSIM.com, hurry!